Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of homemade detox waters to boost your healthy lifestyle. Let's explore the top 5 refreshing detox waters that not only taste great, but also come with impactful health benefits. 1. Lemon Mint Detox Water. First up, we have Lemon Mint Detox Water, a powerhouse of freshness. Slice 1 lemon and add a handful of mint leaves to a pitcher. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, aiding digestion, while mint helps soothe the stomach. This combo is a game changer for your metabolism. Pro tip: let it infuse for at least 2 hours for maximum flavor. 2. Cucumber Ginger Infusion. Next, try the Cucumber Ginger Infusion. Cut cucumber slices and add ginger for a zesty kick. Cucumbers hydrate, and ginger has anti-inflammatory properties. Perfect for reducing bloating and keeping your skin glowing. Include this in your daily routine for a refreshing twist. Pro tip: use filtered water for the best taste. 3. Berry Blast Hydration. Moving on to our Berry Blast Hydration, a colorful delight. Mix strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries into a pitcher. Berries are loaded with antioxidants, promoting heart health and boosting your immune system. A delicious way to stay hydrated without added sugars. Pro tip: use frozen berries for an extra chill. 4. Apple Cinnamon Cleanser. Now, let's explore the Apple Cinnamon Cleanser. Slice apples and add a cinnamon stick for a warming touch. Apples aid digestion and help cleanse the liver, while cinnamon adds a subtle sweetness. Say goodbye to sluggish digestion with this tasty combo. Pro tip: opt for organic apples for a pesticide-free option. 5. Citrus Basil Rejuvenator. Last, but not least, the Citrus Basil Rejuvenator. Combine oranges, limes, and basil leaves for a citrusy twist. Oranges provide a burst of vitamin C, and basil offers anti-inflammatory benefits. This detox water is perfect for an energy boost and mental clarity. Pro tip: crush the basil leaves slightly to release more flavor. There you have it, our top 5 refreshing detox waters to enhance your healthy lifestyle. Experiment with these recipes and find your favorite. Remember, hydration is key to overall well-being. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips. And now, let's stay connected. Until next time, stay refreshed and stay healthy.